An estimated 50 million Americans suffer from arthritis. That's 1 in every 5 adults. And while there's no cure for the disease, it turns out your eating habits may help minimize your pain. Getting out of bed or even picking up a coffee cup can be painful. While there's no cure, health experts say there are certain foods that fight inflammation, which ultimately may help you feel a whole lot better.
Garlic may help. Broccoli may help. Foods that are high in vitamin C, like citrus vegetables, strawberries may help, and tart cherry juice may help as well.
Why eat foods that are high in vitamin C?
Vitamin C is really important in the formation of collagen, and breakdown of collagen is what happens when you have osteoarthritis.
While broccoli is high in vitamin C, it also has an added benefit.
Broccoli has another compound in it that is in the cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, like kale. So those cruciferous vegetables have a compound in them that seems to protect collagen.
Fruits and veggies with an orange hue may also help as well.
Beta carotene is another nutrient that may be beneficial for slowing the progression of arthritis.
Beta carotene can be found in carrots, peaches, nectarines, and sweet potatoes. But it's not just beta carotene and vitamin C. Turns out vitamin D may also slow the progression of the disease.
Milk is fortified with vitamin D. You can get some vitamin D from eggs. You can get some vitamin D from mushrooms, in fact. And then another source is fatty fish like salmon.
Salmon is not only high in vitamin D, it's also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which may help fight inflammation. While you can consume most of these nutrients by swallowing a supplement, health experts say it's smarter to stick with whole foods.
What we found is that supplements, either they just don't work as well, or they may have side effects that we don't necessarily want.
Health experts say there are things you may want to avoid as well. Things like processed foods and even some veggies such as peppers, tomatoes, and even potatoes could exacerbate symptoms. If they do, of course, you may want to avoid them.